Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. We've got a blue exterior on this vehicle with a tan interior. Some accent trim throughout as well. I'm going to come around to the back of the vehicle. So you can see our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Trunk. Look at the passenger side here. And let's go ahead and come around and take a look at the rear seats. You can see the accent trim again there. And our premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And we do have power seats for both driver and passenger, as well as heated seats. You can see the seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 82,490. A push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz display system. So where you can see all the various functions such as radio, navigation, backup camera. So while that's loading, here's our climate control and command module here to control the menu system. Here we have navigation, backup camera, and radio, and the Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.